Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit on BC.Game.ng. There are so many ways to deposit on this platform. You can also deposit via USDT, but in this video I'm going to be focusing on how to deposit Naira via bank transfer. So if you want to deposit on this platform, you click on the plus icon at the top. It's going to bring out this page for you. So by default you're going to see a page like this, and you have an option to click for bank transfer. When you click on it, it's going to expand the bank transfer options. So click on the ones that said 100 to 1 million. So click on it. It's going to bring out this page for you. So the minimum here you can deposit is from 100 Naira to 1 million Naira. Let's say I want to deposit 500 Naira. I'm going to click on 500 Naira and click on deposit via bank transfer. It's going to open a new tab for you. Okay, you can put your email, then click on deposit via bank transfer. So it's going to bring out this tab for you. Make sure you transfer the exact amount which you have included in the platform. Click on I understand and click on continue. So they are going to generate a temporary bank account which you are going to transfer the money. This is for one-time use only. You can't use it again. Have that in mind. And it expires in 1 hour. So what you have to do now is to copy this account number, copy it to your clipboard. You go to your bank app. Go to your bank app and just transfer to the account like you would. So we're going to select the name of the bank. The name of the bank is Sterling Bank. We're going to look for it. You can see the name have pop up. Click on next. So after transferring the money, you check if it has sent successfully. And what you have to do is to go back to the website and refresh. It may tell you that it has failed issue. Okay. It may show you that something went wrong, but don't worry. It might bring an option for you to click on I have transferred the money. Don't worry, just close the page and go back to the website. As you can see right here, we have not deposited 500 Naira in the platform. So click on I have made deposit. You can see right here, we have transferred 500 Naira successfully to BC.Game.ng. So when we go to the home page, you're going to see, congratulations, you have completed the 500 Naira deposit. So that's how you deposit on BC.Game.ng. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.